Welcome, my name is Adam and I work with Prolink software. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Excel job feature in SPC Office Buddy, how it functions, and the potential benefits it can give your company. Please note, this video is a brief overview and is not actually designed to show you how to create this. This will be done in a later video. As always, we recommend that you download and install our latest software, not only so that you can view this on your own, but also follow along with the video as needed. To begin, let's discuss what an Excel job is. We at Prolink have found that many customers like to use Excel sheets when creating their own reports, whether it's because of simple ease or because of use of statistical features within the software itself. Many of our products automatically already do export to Excel, but we find that most of our exports are in simple block format and not really usable for a customer to meet their requirements. This is where Excel jobs come in. With an Excel job, we allow customers to essentially pick and put where they want their data to show up. Once these templates have been created that allow the jobs to function, they can then run their reports and the data will appear in the exact format they requested. To demonstrate, let's review one of the default Excel jobs that we ship with all copies of SPC Office Buddy. As you can see here, I already have the sample using charting job selected and ready to be used. Let's go and edit this really quick to get a deeper dive of what we are using here. As we move to the File Options section and we hit the Open Template link, we can see the core template for this report. As previously indicated, you can see we have several block tags in data placement for where it will show up, as well as blocks indicating where charts will show up as well. As we move further, we come here into the Excel options section. This is where all the magic happens. As we can see, we are now able to indicate what sheets to look for, what tags to look for, as well as what data to expect when that tag is to be populated. Finally, once this is all configured, we are now ready to run our job. From here, we can select a simple data set of 10 records under one characteristic, hit our play button, confirm what has been selected, and hit OK to run. As you can see, the original template that I showed you has now been populated with the characteristic, the data measurements selected, individual hard-coded calculations, and the charts specified in the template. This has been a brief demonstration of the Excel job feature in SPC Office Buddy. We thank you for taking the time to watch this, and we hope you found it beneficial. If you have any questions regarding this, please reach out to our support team at support@prolinksoftware.com, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you.